Okay guys, so for all of your assignments, so we are on week 2. So today's Monday, October 19th, and for all of your assignments for the whole week, I have it on a keynote to help guide you through, and it's called Quarter 2, Week 2 Keynote. So if you click on that and you click on the attachment under the instructions, it's going to open up your own copy. And you want to open this up in your Google Drive so that you can put it in your own Keynote app so you can edit it if you want. So you click the square in the top right, that'll open it in Drive, and you have to wait a little bit so it loads the whole thing. And on this, I have recorded my voice to help read the instructions if you need that. So you're going to click the top 3 dots, not send a copy, open in, and then it's copy to Keynote. And then it will open up your own copy, and you want to click edit in the top right corner. And then this walks you through every day. So these are just our standards. That's why we do what we're doing. And then day 1, we make a joke. I always make this form for you every week, and nobody laughs or nobody reads it, and we laugh about it on Friday. But this does have what you should do at what time and what your assignment is. And then I have a to-do list because this can be pretty overwhelming. I have a to-do list. So it tells you your math, your ELA, your science, and your social studies. For math, we put our I can statement, which is I can divide mixed numbers. And then I rewrote the steps for you. And then here's a picture of the page you are working on today. And it's modeling mixed number division. So I have a video on our assignment that does a few examples, but not from this book. We are going to go over this tomorrow, and we're going to redo the lesson. We went through some of this last week, but since today is Monday independent work time, I just want to see what you can do and what you remember. Tomorrow we're going to go over this again, and you have the ability to change your answers and get 100%. Then when you go to reading, you really want to work in the reading book for today's assignment. Or it's on Google Docs, but to be able to understand what we're talking about, going into the reading book is going to help you. So I have a picture of page 104 and 105. And then there's also a video on the assignment of examples of how to do this assignment. Science, we're learning about plate tectonics. Today there is a quiz, and it is a longer quiz than you are used to because plate tectonics is a very interesting but intricate topic, and so there's a lot to learn about it. And today is the first day we are learning about it. And you can take that quiz as many times as you want to get the score you want. For social studies, we're learning about ancient Greece, and there is a new book for you to read. Today's only assignment is to just read the book. You're going to need to read this book because we are working with it every day this week. And that's all you're doing for today. And you'll hit the stop sign, and then you'll go, and then we're on to tomorrow, which is October 20th. Which, again, here's my little form that nobody reads, but hopefully you think it's so funny that you start to read it. And I have our live times. Then our to-do list, which kind of helps you guys see what exactly we're doing. And we do most of this stuff in our live meets. So if you're confused on something, please join our live meet. And then I have our math. And again, this is just going off of yesterday's or today's assignment, and you're just learning more about it. So then you're going to move on to ELA, and here's the textbook, and this is where your assignment comes from. Science, there's a brain pop video and a quiz. Social studies, your assignment is to do the worksheets that go with the book. And then I have a picture of those worksheets. So if you want to do them on here instead of on Google Docs and screenshot them, that's totally fine. And then we're on to day 3, Wednesday, our live times, our form with our homework, and then here is our to-do list. And it's math, ELA, science, and social studies, and then it goes through it. So if you miss our live times and you go in order, it's going to help you get this work done. And any little speaker is my voice recorded with instructions. And then some work pages just for you to use, and then our textbook for ELA. Science, you are going to read the plate tectonics book. That is today's assignment. And then tomorrow we're going to play the Quizlet game. Ancient Greece is discussion card questions, and here are the discussion cards. We are going to do this together in our live, so if you join our live, this assignment is like a free 100% if you follow along. And then the last day of school this week is Thursday. We do not have school on Friday, and our live times are a little different on Thursdays because teachers do have meetings in the afternoon. So at the bottom, I've had kids ask, what is PD for Miss Wernicke from 12 to 2:25? That is literally just professional development. That's what I'm doing. You are doing work time. You just have additional time to complete your work. And then today's to-do list, which is your math, your ELA, your science, and your social studies. And we're going to play Quizlet for science and social studies for some bonus points today. So anybody who participates is going to get a participation grade. If you win the Quizlet, I'm going to give you some bonus extra credit points. And then our math, I can solve multi-step problems. Here's some things to remember. And the textbook pages, some blank work pages for you. And then your ELA page that we're working with today. Science is plate tectonics, the Quizlet, and social studies is the Quizlet. And then there's no school on Friday. I just want you to make sure you have everything uploaded from the whole week. So please, if you are struggling or you aren't joining our live meets, download this Keynote to help you understand what we're doing and what order we are doing it in.